Okay, these are the guidelines for your first March book chat. Yes, everyone's doing a book chat. There's no chat status. Everyone is on chat status since we are e learning. Additionally, markings are strongly encouraged as it is a college preparation skill. However, since I won't be able to check your markings, they are optional. Although, again, I strongly encourage that as you read, you record your thoughts. Okay? All right, so here are the guidelines for your first March book chat that you'll complete in Flipgrid. One, show your March book. Hold it up to the camera while you're stating the title and author. Now, if you don't want to put your face in the camera, that's fine, but I must see the book. Okay? Now, I also need you to clarify if this is a February March split. I don't need to know if it's a March April split. I need to know if this book is continued from February. Next, let me know if this is fiction or nonfiction. Some people read their fiction book earlier in the year, so now they have to read nonfiction. So please clarify if it's fiction or nonfiction. Three, let us know why you chose the book. Four, discuss your first impressions of the reading. Now, yes, I want to know if it hooked you immediately or if it was hard to get into. However, thoughtful responses are encouraged. Be original. I don't want to hear everybody just saying, "Oh, this didn't hook me originally," or "It was hard to get into." Tell me about this book. I am anxious to hear what you've been reading, what is going on, what's happening. So please share your first impressions, be detailed, and be original. Okay? Next, you want to share three why or how questions. If you had an opportunity to speak with the author, what are three questions you would want answered based on what you've read so far? Now, for each question, you do need to turn to the page. Show this on the video. Announce the page number. So I'm on page 93, and then briefly tell what's happening, and then share your why question or your how question. Okay, it's really important that you do that. So you have your three why questions. For each question, announce the page number, share your why question. Tell us what's going on. Don't just list out your how or why questions without letting us know what's happening in the text. Number 6. Yes, you must read aloud. Please practice this. Please don't do a cold reading if reading is not your skill. You need to practice. So please practice it so that we can hear fluent reading. You pronounce the words correctly, the characters' names correctly. Okay? You stop at periods. It has to be 30 seconds. This is not a suggestion. 30 seconds. So that's a nice chunk of text that you want to read aloud. Okay? Now, before you read the text, make sure you let us know what's happening. The wrong way is to simply start reading aloud and you didn't tell us who's speaking, what's happening. So, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, what's going on. So, let us know what's happening before you read, okay? So, the format will be first, tell us what's happening, who are the characters, what's going on at this point in the story. Next, read for 30 seconds, make sure you practice. And then afterwards, tell us why you chose this. It says it could be your favorite part, but it might be a part that confused you or was surprising. So it doesn't have to just be your favorite part, but let us know why you chose it. Finally, you need to respond to your assigned classmate. Check your SB message. There will be your assigned partner. I'll send a message to both of you so that you know to whom you're to respond. You have to respond to your assigned classmate. Now, what's optional, you can view and respond to as many videos as you like, but your participation grade, your credit comes from responding to your assigned partner. Give them a moment. Everybody's on a different schedule. They may not post as quickly as you do. So be patient to see, make sure that they post. So don't panic if they don't post right away. Give them time as we're all learning and transitioning to this e format. Book love still reigns supreme. I'm looking forward to seeing your videos.